everybody, it's Jeff from New York. We are back in Midtown Manhattan on the corner of 23rd and 5th. We just came out of Italy, so check that video out. We're going to head into the Lego store, which is also at this intersection. If you look closely, you'll see the Flatiron Building on the right with all that scaffolding. The Flatiron Building's a historical landmark, and it's kind of like a supermodel in that if you look at it from the side, it completely disappears. Once we're inside the Lego store, you'll see a model of this entire neighborhood, or I should say this intersection with all of the buildings around it. It's pretty cool. We'll check it out shortly. Once we leave the Lego store, we're going to go across the street to visit Madison Square Park and get a better look at that Flatiron Building. That video is coming up next. Bear in mind, all the exhibits in the Lego store are made out of, guess what? That's right, Legos, and you'll see what I mean when I go in for close-ups of them. For example, let's check out Lady Liberty's torch. Even the pedestal is 100% Lego. Don't forget to look for Cabbie, who always makes a cameo appearance in all my 4K videos. Sometimes he's easy to spot, other times not so much. Be the first to comment on the timestamp where Cabbie is, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. So as far as the Legos themselves are concerned, you can either buy kits, such as the Star Wars or City kits. They also have animal kits, and you name it, there's kits for everything. Or you can buy them individually. The kits go from anywhere from about $20 to $30 and up. And here's the thing with Legos, whether you're a child or an adult, yes, adults like to play with Legos as well. Once you start building with the blocks or buying your first kit, you can't stop there. It's very habit forming. So, you finished building that city, but now you need an airport, and perhaps an amusement park, and a zoo. It never ends. And here's the pick and build wall, or the pick a brick wall, where you get to pick out individually. You just fill up a big bucket, whatever you want. Kind of looks like a candy store, only with a much more serious choking hazard. I don't see sour apple. Those are my favorites. This dragon's tail is actually at the entrance of the store. You see his body in and out throughout the building. While children are encouraged to play in the store, most of the actually built displays are behind plexi. And I guess this is what happens when the plexi is taken away. In this back room is a mosaic maker, which kind of takes an image of your face and turns it into a mosaic. Kind of cool. And here's the neighborhood we're in. That's Madison Square Park on the left. The Flatiron Building's all the way in the back there. We're going to go around the display here and get a picture of the Flatiron. Here we go. And the cool thing is, if you look out the window while looking at this model, you'll see the Flatiron Building, the real one, outside. And again, we're going to visit Madison Square Park in an upcoming video. I think it's the next one coming up, as well as better shots of the real Flatiron Building outside. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. If you look at the top here, what retail stores call the riser, you'll see the history of New York City, all done in Legos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.